Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Bethany Society la umkhra Shillong haringkat ka Jingtip ban ka Enable India Bangalore. Ha khat nyotri urumphang arajar arpo henrio kila yoban perla ja Rynsan Our Vaani nagbenta kibrio kibadan Duna ki Dkhot ban pensuk ban yo e Jingtip ban batrei ki kam ki jam ka pensuk nagbenta ki Duna ki Dkhot ha ki jaka nong Kyndong bat sor ban yo Jingtip lingba kani ka Rynsan Our Vaani. Hagadi ngi la penlong yang Jingïarap Bethany Society la umkhra Shillong hagaba uba HM Shangplyang uladan lang hagani ngi kumukongsan haba jingkran hagani Jingïarap uba HM Shangplyang ubade unong aibut ke sarkar jila ulaong makani Kyndyarap shibun la dadan lang ban kaktian khasi ban garo hagadi ka Rynsan Our Vaani ban unyakran ban ukan rat sangma mendirang ba ka jila ban bulang ya kaktian khasi ban kaktian garo hapo kani ka Rynsan.
Reach out to the maximum number of people, collaborate with the government, and also challenge them through innovation. And I think today is actually a very historic day because we are pioneering together with Able India to make sure that the cause gets furthered. What is the biggest challenge for people today? The challenge is information reaching to the last mile through the use of ICT. The government has so many programs. Unfortunately, the awareness is not there. And thank you so much, Enable India, for bringing this to us. And we are our job is to ensure that that information and that linkage is created so that everybody develops on an equal basis.
So one day I saw one post there in Facebook, Our Vaani. So there was one number, I called that number, Hamari Vaani. Actually, I am from North India, that Hindi-speaking state. So I called that number and I shared my challenge, what challenge I was facing that time. So after 2 days, I received a notification, your recording has been published, now you can listen. So I got a solution. Now that they tell me that time, you have their Parivar Center there, Kashmir, you can join there. I went there and I completed their fundamentals of computer, and they support me, they guide me and sent me. After that, they sent me Enable India. Now after that, Enable India, before 2 months, I complete their advanced employability training there, and after that, I got opportunity in Hamari Vaani.
Program Our Vaani. Sir Karmo, thank you so much. We keep meeting very often. Bethany Society in Rynsan has become almost like my second home now. Yes, because today morning when I was about to leave, and my wife said, "Where are you going dressed up like this?" I said, "No, I'm going to meet my friends in Bethany." He said, "Hospital?" I said, "No, it's a Bethany Society where I have a program." They said, "I just thought I heard 1 week back you were in Bethany Society." I said, "Yes, I keep going there." So therefore, it won't be the last time. I'll keep coming here for one reason or the other, and I love being with all of you here. Thank you so much, Ricky, my brother, who is always helping the Bethany Society here. I'd also like to thank Dylan and of course Madam Nandini for coming all the way from Bangalore along with her team. And my dear friends, today seeing this presentation has really touched my heart. It has touched my heart because this is just not a digital platform. Finally, we have a voice. It is not a launching of a digital platform. It is launching of the voice. Launching of a space for all of you. And launching of a movement. It is a movement. I cannot believe that by just pressing the button in the phone, we can reach all over the world. The world has become so small for you now. You have heard the testimonies in the video when that young person said that I feel so closed up. I do not know anything beyond my life. But the moment this Vaani came into his life, it has opened up. It has opened up his visions. It has opened up his thoughts. It has opened up his ambitions. And it has opened up his life. It made his life more happier. Just as like we, normal person, have the opportunity or have the privilege to social medias, to mobile phones, to all kinds of gadgets. Now, this platform, Our Vaani, is giving you that similar platform. I'll be very happy that each one of you would kindly get connected to Our Vaani, for the time being in English. Definitely, I'm going to take this matter up with the Honorable Chief Minister. I'm also the advisor in the government. And I'm going to suggest to the Honorable Chief Minister that we have to have 2 more channels, that is in Khasi and in Garo. And that is the time. And that is the time when we have in Khasi, we are going to call it Vaani Jongi. And when we have in Garo, we shall say Chingni Vaani. Am I right or not?
Yes.
So, I'm going to take this matter up. I request the authorities concerned here to kindly submit a letter to me, addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister. I'm going to carry that letter to the Chief Minister and I'm going to present it to him. My dear young friends, please avail this opportunity. I must thank Madam Bertha, Sir Karmo, and other people who have a hand in this. They have visited Bangalore, they have seen Enable India, and now it is really making me feel that I should also visit Enable India next time when I'm in Bangalore, to see how well these people are working. Look at this team, how professional they are, in spite of the disabilities that they have. They are as good as any normal people. And therefore, Meghalaya should open up to Our Vaani. And please share all your good works. We have sports persons, we have artists, we have singers, we have good storytellers. Why can't you share all that? Put it in the cloud. Throughout India, people will listen to you. English has become very common throughout the country. Put it up. You get connected from today evening. you should start uploading all your stories, your success stories, your songs, your poems, everything. The other day, we met Kennedy Rynsan. Now he is an influencer. He has his own YouTube channel. I mean, what more could you ask? He has utilized his talent to the best of his ability. God has blessed him in a different way. I know all of you are also blessed in a different way. Therefore, this is the platform. This is the platform. You can tell the world outside who you are. People will come looking for you. In this world where people look for talents, this is the opportunity for you to make the best of it. I won't take much of your time. I know there are more